Good morning, everyone. A very good morning to all of you. How are you? आप सब कैसे हो? Yes. Say what you have to say when someone asks you how are you. आपको क्या कहना है? I am fine. Thank you. Okay. So kids, now let's start our class with welcome song. Start. We welcome you to school today, school today, school today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today, here today, here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. Welcome everyone. Welcome to this new and beautiful day. So come on, let's sing fruit salad also. Then we'll start our class. Start. Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya, chiku, 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 fruit salad, fruit salad, custard apple, custard apple, pineapple, pineapple, guava, 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 fruit salad, fruit salad. All right, kids, today is 24 July 2021. 24 July 2021. And the day is Saturday. What is the day today? Today is Saturday. All right, kids. Now, come on. We'll start our class. So, come on, get your drawing book and pencil and your crayons. So, today we are going to draw some insects. In our last class, हमारी last class में हमने cat draw करी थी, isn't it? We had drawn one cat in the drawing book. So today we are going to draw insects. All right. So come on, get your drawing book. Mothers, you kindly write down the date and the heading. Draw insects. Come on. Draw insects. Yes. Garima Agrawal. Is it you, Tanvi? Ma'am, kindly rename the ID. Kindly rename the ID. And who is this Galaxy J7 Prime? Anshuman, I think, is it you? Kindly rename your ID, beta. As it is very difficult to take the attendance then. Kindly rename the ID with your child name. Come on. Mothers and fathers, whoever is sitting beside the child, kindly write down the heading, draw insects and today's date. Just a minute, parents. Yes. So, in our last class, हमने जो drawing book में cat draw करी थी, उसके next page पर you have to write down the heading draw insects. Mothers और fathers आप लिख दीजिए today's date and the heading. ठीक है? By using shapes, circles, we are going to draw insects. Yes, Tanvi's mother. Tanvi, you want to say something? Can I unmute you? Yes, just a minute. Yes, ma'am. Unmute again, unmute again.
Ma'am, she is not having drawing book. In this, she can draw na
हाँ
in this paper.
yeah, no problem. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Elena's mother. For making caterpillar, आपको एक big circle बनाना है, and then after making big circle, you have to make 5 small circles. ठीक है? Yes, Tanvi, done? Just wait. It's not completed yet. We have to make face. We have to make legs. नहीं तो caterpillar चलेगी कैसे? Done? Kids, आगे बढ़े? Yes, I think all of you have completed. Now, it's time to make face. तो हमारे face पर सबसे important क्या है? Our eyes, है ना? Without our eyes, we can't see. तो caterpillar को भी eyes की जरूरत है. Otherwise, how she is going to see and look here and there? So make 2 eyes. Come on, make 2 eyes. One nose, standing line, and one sleeping line. Come on, Krishna, you are a good boy, no? Then मैं आपको उसमें star दूंगी. I'm going to give you stars then in your drawing book. Very good, kids. I know you can do it. Dishan, beta, switch on the camera. Okay, now after making face, it's time to make the whiskers, the antennas of the caterpillar. So, जो caterpillar का face है, you have to make 2 standing lines. Sorry, do not make standing lines, make 2 slanting lines. 2 slanting lines. Okay, now yeah, at the end of these slanting lines, हमने ये जो 2 slanting lines बनाई हैं, यहाँ पर आपको 2 small circles बनाने हैं. 2 small circles. If you want, आप इसका smiling face भी बना सकते हो like this. It's up to you. So the face is ready now. Now it's time to make the legs. क्योंकि legs के बिना how caterpillar is going to walk, है ना? It's very difficult. अब हमें legs बनाने पड़ेंगे. So for making legs, make 2 small standing lines below each circle. हर circle के नीचे आपको 2 small standing lines बनानी है. Below each circle, you have to make 2 standing lines, but do not make below the face. Face के नीचे नहीं बनानी है. Only the rest of the circles, except face. Small standing lines and उसके आगे छोटी छोटी सी sleeping lines. Look, standing line and sleeping line. Standing line and sleeping line. Below each circle, you have to make 2 standing lines and sleeping lines for making legs. So our caterpillar is ready. Done? Yes, Tanvi, good. Completed, everyone? You first complete caterpillar, then we are going to make one more insect. Yes, very nice, everyone. Well done. Very good. For making legs, standing line and small lines you have to make. Very good, everyone. Nice. Priyan and Dishan, switch on the camera. Yes, Gitanshi, good. Very nice. Elena, Lavish, Annie. Very good, everyone. Well done. Very, very good. Now shall we move to next? फिर कलर हम बाद में करेंगे दोनों इंसेक्ट्स को साथ में. ठीक है? अब हम आगे बढ़े. Now, kids, now we'll make one. Yes, now we'll make one honeybee. Now we are going to make one honeybee. So for that, also you have to make one circle, small circle. And one big circle. For making honeybee, you have to make two circles. One is small and one is big. Circles आपको बनाने आते हैं ना? Just now we had drawn circle. In the same way, you have to make two circles. I think this is big, so let it make so small. Now it is good. Okay. आपको ऐसे दो circles बनाने हैं. One is small and one is big. All right. Now, अब हम क्या करेंगे? What we have to make? We have to make the face again. For making the face, you draw two eyes, one nose, and one mouth. And in the same way, the whiskers you have to make that you have drawn in caterpillar, two slanting lines, and at the end of slanting lines, you have to draw two small circles. जैसे आपने caterpillar के whiskers बनाए थे, antennas बनाए थे, in the same way, you have to draw whiskers of the honeybee also. Slanting lines बनानी है और two small circles बनाने हैं. Okay. Now, अब आपको पता है क्या करना है? We have to make two sleeping lines in honeybee's body. Honeybee की body में आप two ऐसे sleeping lines बनाओ. In the middle of honeybee's body, you have to make two sleeping lines. Okay. हो गया इतना? Shall we move next? Shall we move further? अच्छा, now you let me know कि अब क्या बचा है हनीबी में? हम क्या भूल गए हैं? What we forgot to make? Wings. Yes. So for making wings, make 2 slanting lines. And standing line. In the same way, you have to make 2 wings on both the sides. आपको slanting lines भी आती है and standing line also you know. So you have to use the lines and you have to draw. In this way. Okay. If your child can draw, you ask them to draw in this way also, make a curve. If she or he can draw. Otherwise, we are making out of the standing lines, sleeping lines and all, so we are making this kind of wings. अगर आपका बच्चा ऐसा wing बना सकता है, then you ask her or him. Otherwise, you make this way. Use sleeping line, standing lines to make the wings. These all are geometrical figures. Means by using the shapes, by using the lines, we can make the figures. है ना? So our both the insects are ready. Now you pay attention. Caterpillar को you have to color green. Caterpillar को आप green color करना. And honey bee you have to color yellow. और ये जो बीच में हमने sleeping line छोड़ी है, here you have to color black. ठीक है? यहाँ पर middle में आपको black करना है and बाकी की body you have to color yellow of honey bee. All right, kids? After drawing the insects, you have to color that. Come on, color it. And then show me. Caterpillar, you have to color green. And honey bee, आपको yellow करनी है. बस middle part you have to color black. So completed. Now you have to color it. Come on. The school is over for us today. Done our work, done our play. Before we go, we come to say, thank you, Heavenly Father, for this beautiful day. All right. Okay, kids. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye, everyone. Take care. Enjoy your holiday. Enjoy your weekend. Bye-bye. See you in the next class. Bye.